Going to be installing times microwave easy 400 crimp connector. It's an N-type. That's your N-type connector for LMR 400 collar and heat shrink. You need a few tools: stripping tool, collar crimp tool, cutter, and something to heat shrink up with. So what I want to do is take roundabout cutters, get a real clean cut, get it round. Don't just crimp it straight because you'll get a flat end. Nice and easy, and just roll it and let the cutters do the work. It'll fall off. You have a nice round surface for that. Collar will go on much easier. If it's flat or messed up, it'll be a little harder to get that on. And then this will be also a lot harder to do as well. That in. Keeping pressure, just turning. Takes top section off. Pull back your fiber to your stinger, put that in straight right over that. Push it all the way down. Slide that collar right back up. I'm going to inspect it and make sure there's none of those sticking out the end. Crimp tool, you want to make sure you're right in the middle of the collar. Nice crimp all the way around. Hold it on very snug and tight. Slide the heat shrink up. It's very hot, so do not touch that for a little while. Leave that. And then I always leave my cap on until I'm ready to use it. It's an N-type connector.